Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the simple, profound fact of your own breathing. In and out. There's no need to change it, no need to force it. Simply allow your awareness to rest upon the gentle rhythm of life moving through you. And you might notice how, with each exhale, your body knows exactly how to release just a little more of the day's tensions, a little more of the mind's chatter, letting it all soften and melt away into the support beneath you. I am here. I am present. These words are not a wish, not a goal to reach for, but a gentle recognition of what is already true, right here, right now. And you can feel the truth of that statement beginning to resonate within your cells, a quiet hum of aliveness that has been here all along. Your mind may wander, and that's perfectly natural, perfectly human. And each time you notice it has drifted into a memory or a plan, you can celebrate that very noticing, because that noticing, that gentle returning, is the very essence of presence. It's as if your awareness is a vast, clear sky, and thought. Now, I invite you to recall a moment, any moment, when you felt completely at ease. It might have been watching a sunset, or feeling the warmth of a cup in your hands, or hearing a piece of music that touched you deeply. Assess that memory now, and as you do, allow yourself to step back into that feeling. See what you saw then. Hear what you heard. And most importantly, feel what you felt in your body. And a sense of peace, a sense of rightness, a simple, unshakable stillness, a sense of, and as you feel that now, in this remembered way, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together, creating a neural anchor, a direct link between this physical gesture and this profound feeling of peaceful presence. My good. You can release that now, knowing the anchor is set deep within your nervous system, a resource you can access anytime. I am the stillness beneath every thought. I am the awareness that watches without judgment, without need. With every breath in, I draw in pure presence. With every breath out, I release any resistance to the now. My body is a temple of the present moment. Every sensation, a prayer of awareness, the feeling of the air on my skin, the weight of my body, and it's fascinating how the more you settle into this awareness, the more the world around you seems to come alive with detail. There's no haste seems to come alive with detail. There is the peace, a feli imi noun feli paco. This is the gift of your focused attention, a gift you give to yourself and to the moment you inhabit. I am fully immersed in the sensory reality of this instant. There is nowhere else I need to be. Nothing else I need to do other than to be this aware, this open, this still. Let's deepen this state together. Imagine your awareness as a soft golden light. With your next inhalation, draw that light to the crown of your head. And as you exhale, let it pour down through your body like warm honey, filling every part of you with radiant present moment awareness. Tau, slats, and then over our forehead, relaxing the muscles there. These peepin', it fills your eyes and cheeks with gentle warmth. It travels down your neck and shoulders, inviting them to drop down through your arms and into your hands, filling your chest and heart space with a luminous peace, warming your abdomen, flowing down. My mind is clear, calm, and focused in the now. Each thought arises and passes, and I remain the silent, steady witness. I release all attachment to the past. It is a story, complete. I release all anxiety about the future. It is a possibility, not yet born. All power, all peace, all reality exists in this single eternal point, the present moment. And I am here for it, fully, completely. I am grounded in the reality of what is. The feeling of this breath is my anchor. The sensation of my heart beating is my rhythm. The awareness of life within me is my home. There is a profound safety in this present moment awareness, a knowing that right here, right now, I am whole, I am safe, I am enough. Time itself softens and expands in this state of presence. Seconds feel rich and full. Minutes feel like eternities of experience. I have all the time I need because I am fully inhabiting the time that is. Every emotion is allowed to be felt fully in the body, without story, without label, and then watched as it changes and moves on, like weather in the sky of my awareness. And I am vast enough to hold it all. Peace is not the absence of emotion. Peace is the spacious awareness that contains all emotions without being disturbed by them. And I am that peace. And I am that peace. Now, gently bring your awareness back to that anchor we created. Slowly, press your thumb and forefinger together once more, and feel how that profound, resourceful state of peaceful presence floods back into your being instantly, amplified. Stronger now, for having been woven into these affirmations. This is your neural pathway to now a shortcut your mind and body have built together. You can use this anytime, in a busy street, in a stressful conversation, in a moment of doubt, to instantly reconnect with the stillness that you are. I carry the stillness with me like a secret wellspring within. It is always accessible, always here. My default state is shifting from distraction to presence, from worry to wonder, from rushing to resting in the now. The Thor where is remembering, and I remember more with each passing moment. The present moment is my point of. As we begin to gently return, know that this awareness does not end when you open your eyes. It simply changes form. It becomes the awareness with which you see the next thing, the mindfulness with which you take the next step, the presence you bring to the next word you speak. So awareness the Sepgade to the presence you bring to the next word you speak. Feel the sate veiled but relieved detected. You are what you speak. A phrase, the present seving in moment. Sure was Sembide have wordy withheld startle Lisha. You are with which you see the ungreement. Her foe changed toward. Had to curly das to hoard wordy. When one speak, but for thirdly are away. You art Pravali Sebali Mother Tange to the Mon. You are here. You hardy Omi's been afraid. You are here, Fo Woj be word. You are here, and the T eternal now. You came Sadado, Sebali Ojtord. Your transformation continues even now. Beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.